What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to improve network performance on an iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. It's no secret that over the last several years, people using public Wi-Fi networks over iPhones repeatedly experience bad network performance issues. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a few tips on how to improve network performance on an iPhone. For the first tip, go to the Settings application on your iPhone and select the Phone option. Here, enable the Wi-Fi calling feature. This feature will help your iPhone improve the call quality, increase the data speed transfer rate, and improve network connection indoors. Another tip to improve network performance on iOS is go to the Settings app, navigate to Cellular, and select Cellular Data Options. In the Cellular Data Options, make sure that the Low Data Mode feature is disabled. If this feature is enabled, it will slow down your network connection speed. Lastly, the most important thing that you can do to improve your network performance on iPhone is to use a VPN service. I recommend using a premium VPN service such as Privado VPN. A link to sign up for Privado VPN is in the description below. Signing up for Privado VPN will allow you to improve network performance on iPhone. Privado VPN easily connects up with fast speeds and with a kill switch, so if your connection is lost, you're still protected. You can easily set up this VPN on your iPhone by downloading the free Privado VPN app from the App Store. Once you're logged in into the Privado VPN app, connect the VPN to any of the 47 countries servers list here. Select the Click to connect lock icon. This way you'll be connected to the VPN network that will help improve the network performance on your iPhone, unlike other VPN providers that slow down the network speed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.